I have owned a bunch of office chairs over the years, from budget ones to premium ones, and this is why the X100 immediately stands out to me. Most office chairs only give you a few adjustments, but the X100 gives you armrests that are like 5D. They go up and down and turn, 3D adjustment for your lumbar, adjustable headrest, and a built-in footrest that is also adjustable. The X100 is made of breathable mesh. As you can see, it's awesome. This is with the blue color, absolutely love it. And you can sit in this chair for a long time and it is very breathable. Another thing that I really like about the X100 is that it feels substantial. So a lot of ergonomic chairs feel narrow and cramped, but the X100 has a large seat, supports up to 300 pounds, and you can pull that footrest out just to sit back and relax. So after having many office chairs over the years, I learned that adjustability and comfort are really what makes the difference. And the X100 checks both of those boxes. So if you're shopping for a new office chair, this is definitely the one that you should check out, and it's worth adding to your short list.